What is SASEUL? SASEUL is a blockchain developed by Jung-Woo Lee of ArtiFriends Incorporated. It is considered one of the fastest and most technically advanced blockchains currently in existence. The SASEUL mainnet was launched on May 17, 2022, starting with its Genesis block, and has been operating stably for nearly 2 years. Unlike traditional blockchains, SASEUL features a dual-chain structure. The SASEUL mainnet consists of 2 interlinked blockchains, the resource chain and the main chain, each with its own consensus algorithm. The resource chain utilizes the traditional proof-of-work POW algorithm, while the main chain employs a proprietary algorithm called HAP2 Hypothesis Acceptance Protocol. This dual-chain structure enables SASEUL to achieve complete decentralization while maintaining high-speed performance. In the conventional blockchain discourse, POW and proof-of-stake POS are often seen as opposing approaches. POW is known for maintaining complete decentralization, but suffers from slow speed and scalability issues. In contrast, POS sacrifices decentralization for faster transaction processing. However, as previously discussed, decentralization is an absolute value. A blockchain ceases to be a blockchain the moment it sacrifices decentralization. Therefore, POS can be seen as a lower quality technology, unworthy of being called a blockchain. To truly be called a blockchain, it must achieve 100% decentralization, and Jung-Woo Lee found the solution in POW. However, due to the critical disadvantage of slow speed, using POW alone was not feasible. To overcome this, SASEUL introduced the innovative HAP2 consensus algorithm and a dual-chain structure. Additionally, SASEUL's POW mechanism avoids the indiscriminate use of graphic cards for mining, instead relying on CPU and RAM. This approach preemptively addresses the criticism that blockchain technology is environmentally unfriendly. As a result, SASEUL currently maintains approximately 20,000 nodes and achieves global consensus in 4 to 6 seconds. Despite this, some people claim that SASEUL is slow. These critics are comparing SASEUL not to other blockchains, but to existing banking systems with centralized server structures. Regardless of how innovative blockchain technology becomes, it cannot be faster than centralized servers. People often forget they are using blockchain technology when they compare it to the speed of banks. Conversely, this means that SASEUL is very fast, and its future developments are highly anticipated. In SASEUL, mining rewards participants with resources, and SL nodes that successfully mine on the resource chain receive resources as a reward. These resources can then be refined on the main chain to produce SL, which serve as the primary cryptocurrency within the SASEUL ecosystem. People interested more in cryptocurrency than in blockchain technology often ask about the value of SL. The answer is uncertain. SL's value is not something that can be predetermined by us or by Jung-Woo Lee. SL transcends borders and is beyond anyone's control, embodying the value of perfect decentralization. This is the same principle that gave value to Bitcoin and early Ethereum. SASEUL will not stop as long as nodes around the world remain operational. Even if you are not maintaining a node, as long as someone is, the data persists indefinitely, and your SL remain untouchable. There are no functions for lockup or market manipulation. SASEUL represents opportunity and the potential to surpass Bitcoin. Many investors focus solely on the value of a coin. Few can precisely explain why Bitcoin is valued close to $100,000. While there are many factors, limited supply, immutable data, and perfect decentralization are crucial. Early Ethereum was similar, but it lost its status due to its infinite mining potential. Furthermore, current Ethereum adopted POS, making it unworthy of being called a blockchain. People often ask about the value of SL. The simple fact is that its initial value is 0. Anyone can mine SL, and it can be freely used at any time. The value is determined not by a select few, but by the community of SASEUL users. Many assert that Bitcoin is the only trustworthy coin, but acknowledge it is too slow for daily use, serving merely as an asset. What about SASEUL? The choice is yours. However, if you know about SASEUL, use it, and understand it, yet still fall for inflated prices of pseudo-blockchains, it reflects poorly on your judgment.